baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys how I made these lovely black candle holders. Alright everyone, here's some of the items that I will be using for this DIY. I will have everything listed in the description box below, so you can go down and check out what I used and where I got them from, and links with everything for you guys to get anything that I use and you would like to get it. So let's get started. Alright, here's the base for our candle holder, which I painted it black and with the spray paint from Walmart, and it's a semi-gloss spray paint. And I'll also be using the bling wrap to bling out our base. Okay, remember my candle holders were clear? I spray painted them black with the black spray paint from Walmart also, and I think they look super cute. All spray painted black. So we're just going to glue them down to our base. Now I'm using the hot glue gun, but I did go back. I took them off and used the E6000, you guys. Please use E6000 when you're putting these down. And now we have our rose gold gem from Totally Dazzled, which I'm going to just glue down to the base of our candle holder. And I did leave the little clip on the back. I leave that on. I didn't take it off, you guys. Now I have these gemstones that I got from the Dollar Tree, and we'll be placing them on the base of our candle holder. And here's our finished look. I think it looks very nice, super cute. I love how the candle holders look. The flower candle holders look in black. It looks so nice. It's a semi-gloss black paint I used from Walmart, and it just looks absolutely beautiful. I love how it turned out and blinged out with the gems and the bling wrap going around the bottom and the stones. I think it looks very nice. You know, like I always say, take something nice and simple, or I should say plain and simple, and add some little stuff to it, and you make a lovely piece for your home or for a gift. And tell me how you like my little setup here. This is how I set everything up. I call it my rose gold and black decor. Yeah. The other items, I have videos how I made those other items. You know, you can check in my description box below. I'll leave a link to these videos that I did if you want to see how I did these DIYs. Very nice and elegant. And now my candle holder is the final touch, you know, to put together with this theme that I had in mind, and I think it turned out very nice. All the pieces look lovely together. All dollar store bought items, you know, and if you come and you see it now, you wouldn't know I got them from the Dollar Tree. All right. Tell me what you think about my black and rose gold theme. Leave me a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up, press the like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and press the subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified whenever I upload another DIY to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed. From Petal is Blessed. Bye-bye, everyone.